The next of kin.
A next of kin is someone else that you put his name on your document. So after you die, so all what you have is will be in charge to return all your properties.
Okay, in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
You can bring it any form. You can put your wife, you can put your children. I think that's the two best of way to put.
Alright, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay, quick question. What is the next of kin?
What is the next what?
Next of kin.
Next of king. My next of king, Boniface. That's my son, yeah.
Yours,
son, yeah.
your first son.
That's the only son I'm having.
Okay, so in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
My next of king, he went to school and he's a graduate. Thank God, he's a graduate. He graduated in Unilag here in Lagos. Yeah. So yeah, and he's working here in Ikoyi. So yeah.
So, good evening, ma.
I'm fine, thank
So, what's your name?
Leah of Young.
What is the next of kin?
My next of kin. Yes. My mom.
Okay, in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
Maybe like for a job, for property, for in terms of church.
Okay, can you be your next of kin?
Nope.
Alright, thank you very much. How are you?
Afternoon.
So, what's your name?
My name is Lightsome.
Right, okay. Okay, what is the next of kin?
My nest of kins or a nest of kins.
Your next of kin.
My nest of kins, my younger brother.
Okay, so, in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
Okay. What situation? I don't know. Like what?
Alright, continue, let's go.
I don't really know.
Alright, good afternoon, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So, what's your name?
My name is Favor.
You look really nice.
Thank you so much.
So, who is your next of kin? Or what is your next of kin?
Okay. Next of kin is someone that's maybe they'll put the person's name when the person is no more alive. Like person will take over the person's property.
Okay. So, in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
Maybe death
Just that.
and so like anything can happen now. You bring up your next of kin.
Alright, thank you very much.
Yo, what's up?
Wow, I like your dress.
Thanks.
You're actually dripping. Can you tell us about this dress?
Okay, officially made by myself. Not looking bad, right?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, what's up?
So, you're a model, right?
Of course I do.
I can see. Alright, who is your next of kin?
My next of kin, my younger brother.
So, in what situation do you bring up your next of kin?
When it comes to monetary aspects, mostly because I'm not saying anything won't happen though, but until I get married, it's still going to be my younger brother.
When it comes to money?
Yes.
Why money?
Because what else do I want to give someone that's better than money? Money and sweat everything. If you want a car, you can't use money to buy that. If you want a house, you can't use money to buy it. So it's still money.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Alright, if a man is a doctor, a woman is a what?
A woman is also a doctor
Why do you say so?
because I went to school.
Why?
I went to school, they taught us that the feminine of a doctor is also a doctor.
Like the what?
The feminine of a doctor, of a male doctor, is also a doctor.
Alright, thank you very much.